Hello students, today I am going to discuss mole concept at first in the chapter of chemistry, some basic concepts of chemistry. Yes, we have studied mole in standard 9. What is a mole? Let us recall once again. One mole contains Avogadro's number of particles. In terms of particles, if we speak, then how many particles it contains? Number of particles, that is atoms or ions or molecules. If we speak, then 1 mole contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles. 1 mole contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles. This is number of mole in terms of number of particles, in terms of number of molecules, ions or atoms. Now, if we express mole in terms of volume, then in terms of volume, 1 mole of any gas at NDP has 22.4 liter volume. How much volume it has? 22.4 liter. Now, in terms of mass, 1 mole is equal to atomic mass. If we speak about atoms, molecular mass, if we speak about molecule, or ionic mass if we speak about ions. So, we got the three terms about mole, that 1 mole contains Avogadro's number of particles. This Avogadro's number of particles is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Then in terms of volume it contains 22.4 liter. Then in terms of mass, atomic mass or molecular mass. Okay. Find the empirical formula of an oxide of iron which has 69.9% iron and 30.1% oxygen by mass. How you will find out? See, in the first column you will write about the element iron and oxygen. In second column you will write about the percentage. In third column you will be writing about the mass. In fourth, mole. And in fifth, atomic ratio, and sixth, simple whole number ratio. See, 69.9 is given for iron, 30.1 is given for oxygen. So moles we are getting 69.9 by 56, that is equal to 1.25. And for oxygen we are getting 30.1 by 16, that is equal to 1.88. Now, how to find out the atomic ratio? We will divide the smallest, you will divide this number of moles by the smallest number. Here there are only two, 1.25 is the smallest. So, you will divide this number by 1.25, it will come 1. And here you will divide 1.88 by 1.25, it will come almost 3 by 2. Now you see in your formula it is not given in fraction. So you will, to convert it into whole number, what you will do? You will multiply it with 2 and 2 to cancel these 2. So we are getting 2, we are getting 3. So what is the formula? Fe2O3. Formula for iron oxide is Fe2O3. So you see the steps. How can you find out this empirical formula and molecular formula of any compound? Okay. We'll discuss some of the numericals of mole concept. We know the formula we have studied in standard 9. Number of moles is equal to mass by atomic mass or molecular mass. atomic mass or molecular mass. Okay. Atomic mass by atomic mass or molecular mass. You can take up any example. If people ask you, calculate number of moles present in 36 gram of water or 9 gram of water. What? Calculate number of moles present in 9 gram of water. How you will calculate? Mass, number of mole formula is calculating number of moles is mass by atomic mass or molecular mass. Here water is a molecule, so we will check up its molecular mass. So number of moles will be equal to 9 by mass is 9 gram given, molecular mass is 18, so it will be equal to 0.5 mole. These simple numericals you have studied in standard 9 also. Okay. Now, in terms of number, if you express, number of moles will be equal to number of moles is equal to number of particles by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. Number of particles, that is number of molecules or number of atoms or number of ions, whatever they say, by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. In terms of volume, number of moles will be equal to given volume by 22.4 liter. Or if it is given in milliliter, it will be 22400 milliliter. Okay. Now, if you are asked, suppose you are asked a simple question, calculate number of water molecules. Water molecules present in 9 gram of water. We all know that 9 gram of water is equal to how much mole? Just now I had written number of moles in terms of mass is equal to mass by molecular mass. So 9 gram of water is equal to 0.5 mole. I am not calculating, I am not writing, all of you know. 9 by 18, that is equal to 0.5 mole. Now you are asked to calculate number of water molecules. Then we know that 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro's number of particles. So 0.5 mole will contain how many molecules? 0.5 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, that is equal to 3.011 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. So how many number of water molecules will be there? 3.011 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. Next, suppose I am giving another simple example. Calculate number of molecules of sucrose C12H22O11 present in 34.2 gram of sucrose. Then here also you see, student, it is given in terms of mass and you are asked to calculate in terms of number of molecules. So first of all we can solve it by finding out the number of moles How can you calculate number of moles present in 34.2 gram of sucrose? Number of moles will be equal to 34.2 by 342. That will be equal to how much? 0.1. Now you see 1 mole of C12H22 or 11 contains how many number of particles? How many molecules of glucose? Yes, sucrose. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecules. Now, in 0.1, how much it will be? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into 0.1. That will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 22 molecules. Okay. So simply you use this concept, this formula, you can easily calculate the number of molecules or mass if any other thing is given. Suppose again another example I am taking. Suppose you are asked to calculate the mass of 11.2 liter of carbon dioxide. Calculate mass of 11.2 liter of carbon dioxide. Of course at NTP 11.2. How you will calculate? 11.2 liter. We know that number of moles will have to calculate. Then number of moles will be equal to given volume by 22.4. Given volume is 11.2 and 22.4 will write. Here also we are getting 0.5 mole. How much you are getting? 0.5 mole. You are getting 0.5 mole. Now you are asked to find out the mass. So mass I will calculate. Mass of 0.5 mole. First of all, we will have to find out the mass, molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Molecular mass of carbon dioxide is equal to how much? Molecular mass of carbon dioxide will be equal to 44 gram. Carbon 12 and 2 into 16. 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 gram. Now, 1 mole carbon dioxide is equal to 44 gram. Then 0.5 mole carbon dioxide will be equal to 44 into 0.5, that will be equal to 22 gram. So like this way you can solve the numericals given in mole concept. You can solve the numericals given in NCERT as well as your reference books. Okay, you try to solve. I'll take up another example to explain these numericals. This is a bit tricky question. I'm giving the question. Okay. What is the number of molecules of carbon dioxide which contains 8 gram of oxygen? What is the number of carbon dioxide molecule which contain 8 gram of oxygen? This is the question. See, you will have to calculate the number of molecules of carbon dioxide which contains 8 gram of oxygen. Now, what is the formula? CO2. So, 32 gram oxygen is present in 44 gram carbon dioxide. This clear? 32 gram oxygen is present in 44 gram carbon dioxide. So 8 gram oxygen is present in 44 by 32 into 8 gram carbon dioxide. So how much we are getting? 8 ones are 8, 4s are 32, 4, 11. So we are getting 11 gram carbon dioxide. So you see how we are solving, since it is given in terms of mass and you are asked to find out in terms of molecules. What we are doing? We are finding out the mass of carbon dioxide which contains 8 gram of oxygen. Sorry, here it will be 8 gram. Okay. Now, see, 32 gram oxygen is present in 44 gram carbon dioxide. So, 8 gram of oxygen is present in 44 by 32 into 8, that is 11 gram carbon dioxide. Now, how you will calculate? We know that number of moles will calculate. Number of moles of carbon dioxide will be equal to 11 by 44. That is equal to 1 by 4. We are getting 1 by 4. Number of moles of carbon dioxide is equal to 11 by 44. That is 1 by 4. Now, number of molecules of carbon dioxide will be equal to how much? 1 by 4 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 1 mole contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So, this much mole, 1 by 4 will contain how much? So, it will be 1 by 4 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. It will come almost 1.55 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. So, this type of numericals also you will have to solve in mole concept. Okay. It will be almost 1.55 into 10 to the power 23. Next,